Time now to kick up all the news from the world of sports. Natasha now joins us from the newsroom. So what's keeping you on your feet tonight, Natasha?
Thanks, Evelyn. Well, actually, it is news from Wimbledon. Wimbledon has witnessed the biggest spectacle since 2002 as an inspired performance from Thomas Berdych dumped top seed and six-time champion Roger Federer out of Wimbledon today. Take a look at this match recap and you will see that history has been altered. Defending champion Federer was sluggish throughout the match, and though Berdych wobbled in the final games, he held his nerve to record the biggest victory of his career to date. The 12th-seeded Czechoslovakian beat Federer 6-4, 3-6, 6-1 and 6-4. The defeat means Federer will be absent from the men's final for the first time since 2002, when he lost in the first round. He had been bidding for a record-tying 7th Wimbledon title. World number 2 Federer, who had endured a shaky start to the grass court tournament, was outplayed by the tall Czechoslovakian in front of a capacity centre court crowd. He saved one match point with a volley at the net, but Berdych finally completed his third career victory over the Swiss with a forehand winner. It was only Federer's sixth defeat on centre court, but the former champion was still afforded a huge ovation as he waved to the crowd upon leaving the arena. Well, now we focus on FIFA and the top contenders for the highly prestigious Golden Boot at the FIFA World Cup 2010. Spain striker David Villa has been installed as favourite to finish as the top goal scorer at this summer's World Cup in South Africa. Villa, who scored in his side's win over Portugal last night, is 2 of 1 with Ladbrokes and Bordeaux to land the coveted Golden Boot, and his current total of 4 can be matched only by Argentina's Gonzalo Higuain and Slovakia's Robert Vitek. Speaking of Higuain, he scored a hat-trick against South Korea to get off to a good start in this tournament, and his goal against Mexico saw him go to the top of the scoring charts. His side faced Germany in the next round, and with Argentina looking like they could go all the way, he should have plenty of chances to add to his current total. The Real Madrid man is available at 10 of 3 for the Golden Boot. Well, that's all we have from the sports desk at the moment. Back to you, Evelyn.
Thanks very much for that. On to some entertainment news now. He's someone that many from the 80s would fondly remember. But even today, actors like Vijay and Simbu are still all wonders for him. His strike rate is still strong and his call sheets are still full. It's none other than actor Satyaraj, and NDTV Hindu bumped into him while he was busy shooting for his next film.
Sir?
This fight scene being shot for the movie Kalavaram conveys what a fighter actor Satyaraj is. Even at 55, Satyaraj has up to 10 films in his kitty under shooting. In this one, he plays an angry top cop in the movie. The actor himself says he has not kept track of how many movies he has done so far. This one could easily be his 175th film.
முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் எதை பற்றி கவலைப்படாமல் இருக்கிறது, எதாக இருந்தாலும் அளவோடு வச்சுக்கிறது. சாப்பாடாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, எக்ஸசைஸாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, வேறு விஷயங்களாக இருந்தாலும் சரி.
விஜய், சூர்யா, விக்ரம் போன்ற யங்கஸ்ட் நடிகர்கள் 6 பேக் 8 பேக்லாம் நீங்கள் போட்டுட்டு இது பண்ணுறாங்க. அவங்களுக்குலாம் காம்படேட் பண்ணிட்டு இன்றைக்கும் வந்து சினிமா ஃபீல்டில் இது பண்ணுறாங்க. சத்யராஜ் சார் ஒருத்தர் தான்.
3 மாச கர்ப்பம். இப்ப நீ என்ன பண்ண போற?
Satyaraj calls himself the Amitabh Bachchan of the South. He says his versatile roles as a good guy, the bad guy and a comedian have all made his directors happy.
அமிதாப் சார் போகிற ரூட்டு ஹீரோ மாதிரி, ஆனால் இந்த நாயகன் படத்தில் கமல் சார் சொல்லுவார் கடைசியில் நீங்கள் நல்லவரா கெட்டவரா தெரியலன்னு சொன்ன மாதிரி இப்போ ஹீரோ மாதிரி ஒரு ஹீரோ.
போட்டின்றது வந்து அவருக்கு இல்லை அப்படின்றது நிச்சயமாக ஒன்று சவுத் இந்தியாவில்.
Satyaraj refused to play the bad guy in Rajinikanth's Shivaji. He also refused an offer to act in Endiran. Clearly, the actor wants to prove he's not ready to give up just yet. In Chennai, with Lalit Jude, Ramanathan for NDTV Hindu.
Well, once a hero, perhaps always a hero. That's the news for now. Thanks so much for watching. Good night.